Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I'm Judy. Welcome back to my channel. So this week it's just a quick update video for you. I don't have an actual tutorial or a vlog or anything. It's just a quick update to let you know what's happening. I had something planned this week, however, things didn't work out as I had planned. Actually, I did a good deed and helped out a friend. He had a bunch of videos he needed to get out. He was against a deadline, and of course Murphy's law, things go wrong and his computer died on him. So long story short, he took it to Geek Squad. They told him, oh, it's going to be ready tonight. That didn't happen. No. So I ended up lending him my laptop. So I've been without a laptop for a couple of days, so I haven't been able to edit. So that's why I'm just doing this quick update video. Also because one of my goals this year is to be consistent and upload every week. And I didn't want to break my, it's been 4 weeks in a row now that I've uploaded. So I didn't want to break that streak. So I wanted to do a quick update video to, one, have a video, and two, just to update you guys. So don't worry, there's stuff coming up. On the 10th of April, I have a video coming out with Evelyn. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know who Evelyn is. She did the Lemons for Leukemia video with me. That was 2 weeks ago. So she did that video with me, and she is from Culture Eats, and we did a collab. It's a vlog about the behind the scenes of a collab. I also did a second video with her, which will be on at a later date, which is an interview with her on how to actually do collaborations on YouTube. So other than that, I have a tutorial coming up that I have planned, which is how to do cinnabars, or the letterbox effect. The black bars on top and on the bottom that give you that cinematic look. I have a tutorial on how to do that in Photoshop so that you can just drag and drop onto your timeline in any of the editing programs, whether that be Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve or Shotcut, any of those. So anyway, that's what's coming up. I hope you guys will stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to join the notification squad, you know what to hit. Hit that bell. And that's it. So I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you all next week. Bye.